Welcome to a quick guide on how to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you've been organizing conversations and tucked something away, this is the simple method to bring it back to your main chat list. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and sign in if needed. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for your chat list. At the top of this area, you'll see a labeled section called Archived. It's the place where archived conversations are stored. Click on Archived to open that folder and view all chats you've hidden from the main feed. Now, scan the list of archived chats to find the conversation you want to restore. It helps to know roughly who you spoke with or the topic of the chat. When you locate the right chat, right-click anywhere on that chat entry. A small context menu will appear with several options. From the menu, select Unarchive Chat. This action moves the chat back to your main chat list, usually appearing in the most recent section unless you have specific sorting in place. After unarchiving, open your main chat feed to confirm the conversation has returned and is ready for you to continue the discussion. If you don't see the chat immediately in your main list, try refreshing the page or scrolling through your chats. Sometimes recently unarchived conversations land near the top of the feed, but other times they may appear a bit further down, depending on your last activity and search filters. A couple of quick tips. Keep an eye on search in the left panel if you're unsure of the contact's name, as typing part of a name can pull up the archived chat faster. And if you frequently organize chats, consider periodically checking the archive section to manage conversations you've set aside. That's all there is to unarchiving on WhatsApp web. This update keeps your messages accessible without cluttering your main chat list, making it easy to resume important conversations whenever you need.